Heading out on the Cooke Valley Indian H.O.G chapter ride today. We're going to go down by Arcadia and head back into the hills, hit some county roads, some named roads, and have a great time with a good group. We have 14 bikes along for the ride today and looking to get back into the hills. Come on along for the ride. We're working our way south on County I. This kind of winds along a ridge top as it heads back over towards Highway 93. We will not jump on 93 right here. We're going to continue south on I down to U and eventually pop out right down by Oliva. Some beautiful views as we come out closer to 93 to the north and the south. Sod roof, anyone? Out of all the times by there, I don't know if I've ever noticed that it was a sod roof. We'll back off the highway after a couple miles on Cty Rd V, heading up to some of our favorite overlooks. But even at this low end of the valley here, some beautiful views. We're working our way on V. We came through here the other day. This road is on another route due for the rally for 3 days in a row. Around this next corner, and there were a whole bunch of cabs in the road. Reminded me of being out west and having open range. They were sneaking through the fence here. I can't help but come over this hill and record this every time because it is one of the best vistas in the Northern Driftless. And that's saying a lot because there's a bunch of them. This is a section of County Double B that we don't often take, but just cuts between V and over to 121. As we get up towards the top, there's a couple neat corners up here. We have Johnson Valley Road, past the Whitehall Pigeon Rod and Gun Club, and up the hill. We'll intersect County D at the top. Pretty little valley back in here. Working our way up D. Not shooting a lot of video on here. This has been in a fair number of my videos this year, so. Work our way down D to N here, take N up over the hill, and grab some lunch at the Cooke Valley Inn. So this is County N between D and 95. Got the group back in tow, had a little lunch at the Cooke Valley Inn. Good food in there. Worth a stop if you've never been there. We are heading out of Arcadia on County T. We're going to go pick up Oak Ridge Drive and go up through the hills. Eventually work our way down to Holcomb Coulee Road and come out by the Tamarack Bar on 93. This is the bottom of the valley on Oak Ridge Drive. I don't know if it'd be visible, but there's a tower kind of up at 10 o'clock to us right now. And that's where we're headed, up there. Working our way down off Oak Ridge Drive on the south side. So this is Linden Rd. So this takes us from Oak Ridge Drive, which we came down, over to Holcomb Coulee Road, and out to 93 by the Tamarack. Started the camera a little late, but we were on Borst Valley Rd again. What a beautiful chunk of road. Brand new pavement. The views from up top there are stunning. Coming down off a hill on J here, down to the River Bridge Road. Kind of a very neat cut through across the river and over to the Highway 95 side. We're going to take River Road down through there today and wind our way along a very cool rock face. There's an eagle that'll show up on film, flying just a couple feet off the water. That was cool. This is this pretty cool section of River Bridge Road where the rock almost hangs over the road. We'll slow down here a little bit, let people enjoy this piece. Pretty cool stuff. And River Road actually turns into Buehler Road, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then eventually a little bit of a right onto Buehler Valley Rd. And this will take us back up to Highway 95. But what a valley back in here. Huh? All the stuff you don't see from the highway. Alright, had a little break at the lookout. Not putting everybody on the spot in this group to be part of a Rolling Driftless video. Guess I could have asked them, but kept the stops pretty chill today. But anyway, we're back on the road. Heading north, gonna stay ahead of some rain and storms that are down in southern Minnesota right now. Shouldn't be a problem. We are gonna hit up County C, Double C, 121 and H on our way back to Mondovi. Working up out of the valley on County C. Bottom of that valley is really nice cruising now. That brand new pavement put in there last year. More of this brand new pavement as you work your way over C to the north. Something special about brand new pavement curves on a motorcycle. Gotta love it. And our way up Double C now. Pop out up on X and take Cooke Valley Rd down to 121. Should have had the camera running a minute ago. There was a big old doe standing in the ditch right next to me. Cooke Valley Rd. I was more interested in making sure she stood there instead of deciding to bolt across in front of me or any of the bikes behind me. I think she just stood there and watched us all go by. All right, working our way up H, closer to Mondovi. We're going to call that a wrap for the day. Wrapping up a good hog chapter ride. Got back in the hills a bit. I think everybody had a good time. Hit that like and subscribe, and hope you're enjoying the videos.